Musamseleku's wives Mayeni, Makhumalo, and Mangwabe, they go through miscarriages. Mayeni have 3 kids with Musamseleku. When she have her own first son, Mpumelelo, she was not staying with Musamseleku. Mayeni didn't go through miscarriages, but when she was started staying in Musumbe, they got married to Musamseleku on 2009. Mayeni go through miscarriages. It was difficult for her to have got those 2 kids. And Mangwabe have got 3 kids, but one child was not Musamseleku's son. When she had her firstborn, Mangwabe doesn't have a problem of miscarriages because she doesn't not staying in Musumbe. The problem started when she got married to Musamseleku, started staying in Musumbe. It's the same problem with Makhumalo. Makhumalo got pregnant when she was teenager, maybe 17 years. She doesn't have a problem of miscarriage. Makhumalo had a child, her firstborn, and was staying with her parents. So Makhumalo's child died when she was started staying with Musamseleko. There is a problem there, and there is Masaule, Musamseleku's late wife. Masaule doesn't have a child with Musamseleku, but we know that they are trying because Masaule have her own first son with another man, not Musamseleku's child. What's the problem? There is something happened in Musumbe because all those wives, Musamseleku wishes to have 20 kids. So Musamseleku was suspecting someone. There is something happened in that compound because Musamseleku is a traditional person. So one day he sit down with his wives and try to explain what happened on his compound in Muzumbe because the problem started when they are staying in Muzumbe. I know that maybe when Makhumalo, she was not married to Musamseleku, maybe her son was still alive, or her child or her daughter, I don't know, was still alive. Why Makhumalo's child passed away when she was started staying with Musamseleku? You've got a problem of miscarriages. There is someone who is behind all those things, doesn't want to have got problem, because when those wives, they fulfill Musamseleku's promises that you want to have 20 kids, maybe we can count now. Musamseleku have 20 kids. When Makhumalo, she had got kids, Mangwabe, because Mangwabe had many miscarriages, maybe Mangwabe, we can say she have got 4 kids with Musamseleku, or Mayeni have got 5 kids. We can count now that Musamseleku have got 20 kids. There is no pressure that Musamseleku to marry Makwela. But the problem, someone is behind all those things. Musamseleku is a traditional person. He said there is someone who put umuti on that compound, who do something on that compound. You understand? Because those wives, you know that Mangwawe, Makhumalo, and Mayeni, they are staying in Muzumbe. Imagine, guys, how a person wicked that those wives, they can have miscarriages. Masaule doesn't have a child. We know that Masaule now, she can't explain herself, and Musamseleku can't explain a lot about Masaule because she already passed away. But you will know that they tried to have a child with Musamseleku. It was a big problem because Masaule, those wives, guys, 3 wives, especially Makhumalo and Masaule, 2 wives, they don't have a child with Musamseleku, but they have got other kids, another child with another man before they got married to Musamseleku. The problem, they don't have a problem about miscarriages before they got married to Musamseleku, but the problem started when they got married to Musamseleku. Maybe you can say it's a 1 wife or 2 wives, but all of them, they have got a 1 problem, including Makwela. Imagine, guys, there is something, guys, happened in that. You know that will be married on polygamy sometimes. Yo, it's a lot of things, guys, to be in polygamy because you don't know what's happened